Hello everyone and welcome back to our new video. So we are using Feedly to track industry news, competitor updates and emerging trends. Your team is using Slack to communicate, but right now those two words don't talk to each other. You find a critical article in Feedly, then you have to copy the link, switch to Slack, paste it, type a message and hope your team notices. So that's several extra steps, and in a fast moving industry, those seconds really matter. So what if Feedly could just send articles directly to Slack, or maybe automatically, the moment they appear? Well, they actually can. According to Feedly's documentation, Feedly Threat Intelligence and Market Intelligence customers can set up notifications that push articles from team boards or AI feeds directly into any Slack channel, public or private. So you choose your workflow, manual creation for quality control, or automated delivery for real-time updates. Either way, your team gets the information they need without leaving Slack. How to do so? It's easy. Open Feedly in your desktop browser or on the app. Look for the integrations for the desktop browser on the left navigation. Find Slack and click Connect to Slack. A permission model will appear, so make sure to click on Allow. You should note that this integration is available for Feedly Threat Intelligence and Market Intelligence customers. So basically, for us free customers, we won't be able to even see these options. So that's the whole idea. Thank you all for watching, and I'll see you all in the next video.